4 points A, B, C, D are shown on the diagram. Write down the coordinates of point A. There you go. A is 3, 4. Complete the table below by filling in the correct image of the point A under each of these transformations. Axial symmetry in the x-axis. So that gets flipped down to D. So that's 3 minus 4. Oh, you have to just list it. Okay, it's B. Axial symmetry in y-axis. Oh, that's a D. I wrote B. D. And then A gets flipped over to B. Axial symmetry in y-axis. And then central symmetry in 0, 0 brings it down to C. John travels to the cinema to watch film. The distance times graph below shows his distance traveled from his home to the cinema and home again. Okay. Okay. Right. On the way to the cinema, John stopped at the shop to buy sweets. How long did he spend at the shop? So you can see, well, that must be here. This short stop here, from here to here. These are going up in tens, so that would be 30 minutes. I wonder if the next question is how long was the movie? Now, how far was the cinema from John's house? 16 kilometers, I guess. I mean, he went home again afterwards, so he went from being 16 kilometers away from being 0, so it's like 16 kilometers. 3 parts of the graph are labeled ABC. In which of the 3 parts ABC was John traveling the slowest? So the slowest would mean the least distance per time. So in part A, he traveled 12 in 20 minutes, which would be 6. That part there would be 6 kilometers in 10 minutes. B, he traveled 4 kilometers in 10 minutes, so that's pretty slow. Or slower. And then C, he traveled 16 in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 16 in 50 will be 3.2. So I think it's got to be A. Oh, no, we want the slowest, not the fastest, isn't it? The slowest. The slowest is C. C, traveled 16 kilometers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 50 minutes, i.e. if you want to work it out, that's 19.2 kilometers per hour. This first one was 12 and 20, which is 36 kilometers per hour. And then this one here was 4 and 10, which is 24 kilometers per hour. And this one here was 19.2 kilometers per hour. And it's 16 in 50 minutes. This, you can also tell it from the slope. So you can see that this one is probably, it does look the steepest. And this one is steep as well. But this one here is less steep than the others. But that's kind of hard for me to judge from looking at it.